Hi guys, today is December 17 and today is Daddy's birthday.
It's Kuya's birthday tomorrow.
Yes, so it's 8:08 a.m. na, katapos namin ihatid si Kuya sa school and si Daddy tulog pa. So nandito kami ngayon sa grocery store.
Yeah, and we already go to the post office.
Yeah. So, bibili kami ng birthday cake for Daddy. So, isa-surprise namin siya mamaya. Just, a simple surprise for Daddy kasi birthday niya today. So, are you ready, Baba?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah.
Baba. Yay.
Yeah. Cold, cold.
It's cold.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
We're home, guys.
We're home, guys.
Nabili na namin yung cake ni Daddy. And
This is mine.
this is the cake. Maliit lang siya kasi bibili pa kami ng cake ni Seth for tomorrow. Eh, hindi namin mauubos yung madaming cake kasi birthday din ni Kuya tomorrow. Kaya, yeah, yung maliit lang na cake yung binili namin for Daddy. Decision ang nag-pick niyan. Right, Baba?
Yeah, but Mama, I can't finish it.
Yeah, you're gonna have a slice later. But, let's, kuhan muna. Itago muna natin. Kasi baka makita ni Daddy. So, cool. That's a surprise for him. Okay? You ready?
That's mine.
Hold it. Hold it for Dad. Go.
Let me show it to Dad. Okay.
Sing happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Daddy. Happy birthday to you.
Oh. Thank you.
Yay! Yay! Happy birthday, Dee. Kiss Daddy.
Two.
Kiss Dad. Love you. Love you. Go look your Daddy. Look at your gift. Yeah.
Dad, happy gift.
Whoa! Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa! Thank you.
Can I eat
Like
my
it,
cake
Dee?
now, Mom?
Yan.
Please.
Yeah, anak, wait.
I want the balloon. I want to feel
Wait, that's expensive. How much is that?
Wait, Dad's balloon.
Yay, Dee.
Wait, can I use this toy one?
Sean is eating the cake. Cookies and cream.
Wait, I want to
Is
play
it good?
with this. Yeah. But can I play with this?
A few moments later.
Hi guys, we're here at Sam's Club with Kuya. And we bought some cake for Kuya.
Yeah.
Excited for your birthday tomorrow. Say hi.
Hi.
Where's Dad?
Getting my Sleepy.
There's Dad. We're here. There you, baliw. There, do it again. We're done. Ito kami ng Best Buy. It's cold. Hi, Baba. Hi, Baba.
Sige, patalogan ito.
Yan na ito.
Buick. Mura lang yan.
Nag-cute.
Alam mo nga lugan.
Hi, Sean.
Hi.
You guys need help? Where can I go?
Guys.
Slurpee pa more. So cold na nga. Slurpee pa more.
Yeah.
That's our birthday boy. What, Sean? What's funny, Sean? Oh, eh. Say hi to the vlog. Best Buy.
Hi.
Oh yeah, like this one below.
What's the difference?
This one is
Go, wait.
Wait, go to the dance.
You like
again.
that's
no, I cannot get
Like
keycaps.
this?
Keyboard is expensive itself.
Wait, what?
go dance.
Again? Like this? I don't know.
Hi guys, we're waiting for Dad.
Where are we going the next time I
Bumalik
said?
siya, pinalit niya yung ano yon, keyboard niya. Say hi.
Blue switch.
He said,
What do you want?
talk to me. I said, where are we going the next time to the dead, for the dead people?
Ano?
I saw Katnap going there in YouTube.
I know. So ito si Sean.
So I need to go
Gusto niyang
there. Why
pumunta
next
daw
time?
doon sa anong tawag diyan? Sementeryo.
No, Kat, I
There.
saw Katnap going in
Gusto daw niya pumunta
Montero.
diyan.
Mom,
I don't know, anak. It's catnap. You're not catnap.
no, I saw Cat. No, on YouTube, Lord.
I know. Sa YouTube yun, anak. It's just a one. It's just a movie. Movie ba yun?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's just a movie.
So why are we going the next time?
We're not going there. Wala namang patay. You want us to patay?
No. You go to
Wumabas.
Mom.
What, baba?
You know, you go to Halafi bad. That's
Yeah, if
bad.
you're bad.
Not bad.
If you're bad, sabi ko. Hi, Kuya. Hi. It's your birthday tomorrow. Excited?
Yeah.
You're turning what?
10.
You're double digits na.
Mm-hmm.
And you're in twin pace.
Yeah.
Twin ba tawag doon? Or
What?
twin pace? Is it good?
Yeah. Why isn't Dad coming?
Ano is he? What is that?
Why is Dad so long?
We're eating. What's this?
Kaba.
No. Crispy.
Crispy pata.
Crispy pata.
Yeah, that's big feet. I was talking about the pig.
Wow, sarap. Sean is eating pig feet. Favorite mo yun, Baba?
Yeah, can I see the truck? Ow.
Hi, guys. Sean is eating. What's up, Baba?
Pig feet.
Pig feet. Favorite niya yan. Crunchy. It's crunchy, ha?
Yeah.
You
It's
finished that?
country man.
Crunchy. It's lutong. My sounds if you bite it.
Which one that means crunchy?
Yeah. See? It sounds.
Do you mean wait, crunchy?
Sabi niya, di ba? You like it?
Oh, it's the pig say.
Ah. Sarap. Hi guys. Sean is wearing Kuya's jersey.
Why is Jay-Z SSA? No, it's Jay-Z SSA.
Gift namin ito kay Kuya for his birthday tomorrow kaso sinuot ni Sean. That's Kuya's jersey, anak. You like it?
I just wanted to show you, Mom. It's
Okay,
funny.
it's okay. You can wear that.
Forever?
Not forever. Pag ganun ka, anak, let me see.
Wait, we need to save.
Let me see.
Mom,
Yeah.
are you sure we need to save?
Yeah, baba.
Wait,
That's too big for you.
I'm big boy now.
Oh, you're a big boy.
See, look
Okay.
at my arms.
Oh, yeah. It's so big. Yeah. You're bigger than mama na?
Yeah, almost.
Almost.
Yeah.
How old are you na ba?
Wait, 4.
You're 4?
Yeah, I'm still 4.
Okay. Where's the birthday boy?
Birthday boy,
Where is
Dad.
he? Where is he?
What is he?
Ang ginagawa niya?
Playing.
He's playing?
Yeah, the birthday boy.
He's in the room?
Yeah. That is the birthday boy, and Kuya's gonna be the birthday boy tomorrow.
I know, right?
Does Kuya have no school tomorrow?
Meron.
No, he's going to Fuji buffet.
I know, after school. Are you excited for your Fuji buffet?
You know Fuji buffet.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
You gonna eat sushi there?
Yeah, but
Or you want
they
fried
got
chicken?
School. Sushi, but
How about fried chicken? You don't like fried chicken?
yeah, but Mom, Kuya doesn't have school tomorrow because of Fuji. It's gonna be nighttime.
We're gonna sundo Kuya and Freddy at school tomorrow. Because
Wait.
Freddy will join us.
Wait, why does Freddy wants to join us?
Because that's Kuya's best friend.
He loves Freddy.
Yeah.
Why did Freddy bully my leg yesterday? I saw.
He
Why?
bullied your legs.
Yeah, I saw.
Trying to play soccer with you.
Yes, he's just trying to play.
Oh yeah, wait. Hey,
You don't
at his
mean
house?
it. It's just an accident.
Then why did he hit my leg as an accident?
It's just an accident, Baba. Here's the birthday boy tomorrow and he's eating his dinner. Are you excited for tomorrow, Baba? Where's the other birthday boy?
He's being ingay and baktit.
What?
He's being ingay and baktit.
Finish your food, okay? And then let's watch.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Yay! Day, what's your wish sa birthday mo?
Dad,
What's your wish
let me draw Jay.
Money and happiness. And good health.
Can you spell Dad?
Your
Again.
wish is my command.
Mom,
sabi ni
spell
Papa
Dad.
Jesus.